Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 17,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to request more inventory space at Amazon FBA Capacity Manager walkthrough. Let's get into it. If you've been running into storage limitations at Amazon FBA and need more space for your inventory, Amazon allows sellers to request an increase through the Capacity Manager. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Capacity Manager effectively and what you need to consider when submitting a request. To begin, log into your Seller Central account and go to the menu icon in the top left. Navigate to Inventory, then select FBA Inventory. Scroll down to find the Capacity Monitor. If you see an option to request an increase in storage limits, click on it to access the Capacity Manager. Here you'll find your current storage limits for different months. If you anticipate needing more space, especially for high demand seasons, you can submit a request for additional capacity. When creating a request, the first step is selecting the requested volume. This is the additional cubic feet of space you require. Your estimate should be based on how much inventory you expect to send to Amazon and how much space it will occupy. You'll also need to set your maximum reservation fee. This is the highest amount you're willing to pay to secure the extra storage. However, Amazon provides performance credits that can offset this cost if you meet sales targets. To determine a reasonable bid, you can download Amazon's historical reservation fee data. This will show you what other sellers have paid for additional storage in the past. The cost varies depending on demand. Some sellers have paid as little as $0.10 per cubic foot, while others have paid over $250. If many sellers are requesting more space at the same time, the reservation fees tend to increase. Another important factor in the request process is estimating your sales for the target period. Amazon uses this estimate to determine how much of the reservation fee you may be refunded. If your actual sales meet or exceed your estimate, Amazon will issue performance credits to offset some or all of the fee. For example, if you expect to generate $100,000 in sales from the additional storage, you could receive significant performance credits that reduce your storage costs. It's also crucial to set an appropriate expiration date for your request. This is the latest date by which you must use the additional space. If your inventory isn't shipped in time, you could lose the extra capacity, and if the date is set too far out, you may pay unnecessary storage fees. Aligning your expiration date with your inventory shipment schedule is key to avoiding these issues. Many sellers make the mistake of either overbidding or underestimating their storage needs. If your bid is too high, you might pay more than necessary for space you don't fully utilize. If you request too little, you could run into stock limitations during peak sales periods. A strategic approach is to analyze past reservation fees and bid slightly above the average rate to improve your chances of approval. Another best practice is to plan in advance. Amazon's storage space becomes more competitive during major sales events like Black Friday and Prime Day. If you anticipate needing extra space for Q4, it's a good idea to submit your request early before reservation fees increase due to high demand. That's how you can request more inventory space at Amazon FBA using the Capacity Manager. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Amazon seller tips. If you have any questions or want help growing your brand on Amazon, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.